Hello guys, and welcome back to Sincerely Grace. So today I have an unboxing video, and it might be odd to you guys because we're basically in the middle of fall and winter, and some of the items that I'm going to unbox, I don't think they're what you would expect. So without further ado, let's get started. So I have quite a bit of unboxings for you guys, and if you've been watching me for a while, you know that this year I wanted to focus on buying shoes. I wanted to really focus on establishing a shoe collection, starting with my favorite type of shoe. So I am not a high heels type of girl. I just am not. I do enjoy wearing them every now and then, but I'm not really into them. However, I am into sandals. So I live in sunny Southern California, or Central California, I guess you can say. And we probably only get about 2 good months that is kind of winterish. Doesn't get really, really cold. It hardly ever snows here. So spring and summer tend to be the primary months. I mean, we're already in November and I am still wearing sandals. So just to give you an idea. So yeah, I ordered all of these sandals recently, so I wanted to share them with you guys. So let me show you what I picked up. So also a little bit of story time of why I decided to purchase all of these sandals. And I think I've mentioned it before in some of my videos, is that I think about what I purchase. So I work very hard for my income, and I am very mindful as to where I spend it. With that being said, the reason why I decided to splurge on these sandals was because one, I had 2 of these sandals on my wish list and I knew that I was going to get them. And 2, one of the websites that I ordered this from was Saks Fifth Avenue. And if you watched my channel for a while, you've noticed that I've said before, YSL and Valentino, those 2 items usually are included in the Saks sale items. And recently they had a promotion where you spend X amount of money on certain items and you get a gift card. So in my head, I thought, okay, I know I'm going to buy 2 of these sandals either way. Might as well buy them now, get myself a gift card, and I can use that gift card later on to purchase something else on the website, which that gift card, there is no exclusions. You can actually use that gift card on anything that you'd like off of their website. So to me, it was a win-win. Again, just being mindful of how I spend my money. Since I was already going to spend my money on these sandals, I was thinking of purchasing these in early spring, maybe around, I don't know, maybe like March, somewhere around there. But the opportunity came and I was just like, no, it's just smarter for me to purchase them now. I did have money saved up. I was going to use that money towards something else, but that could wait. I know that item isn't going to go on sale. So enough talking, just wanted to provide that insight in case you guys are looking into ways of how you can be more frugal, sell items. Not that these went on sale, however, in my head it's kind of a sell because you get money towards something else. So I believe this particular sale that happened with Saks, and they have it all the time, well, not all the time, every now and then. So I always browse certain websites, like I said, every now and then. So definitely browse Saks. I believe right now Bloomingdale's has a gift card opportunity as well. But certain items are not included. Saks usually, to me, is the best one. So I spent over $2,000 on these items, and that gave me a $600 gift card. So enough rambling. Let me show you guys my first pair. So the first pair that I picked up is a Saint Laurent sandal. And with shoes, I do try to be mindful as far as choosing classics or things that will stand the test of time. Because again, I want to get my cost per wear. So yeah, that always gets factored in. So Saint Laurent has these very famous sandals, and let me see. I think they're called the tribute. Yeah, the tribute sandals. So I have the Hermes sandals in the gold, which is a brown color, and then I have them in the white. And the Tribune sandals, before me purchasing the Hermes sandals, I was like, oh, I might get those in the same color. But since I have them in the Hermes brand, I don't want to buy them in the Saint Laurent brand, if that makes sense, because they kind of look similar. They're slide-ons. But I saw these and I was like, ooh, okay, I have to get them. So they are these Tribune sandals. So it is like in a leopard fox fur kind of material. So let me open up the other one. So as soon as I saw these, I was like, okay, I have to get them. I mean, they're perfect for fall and winter type. So I was like, okay, I might as well just buy them now. And these were some of the items that, these are some of the sandals that I had been contemplating getting, but in different style and color. But as soon as I saw these and the gift card opportunity was there, I just went ahead and I purchased them. So I have already actually worn these once already, and let me show you guys the fur. So I love these. I really do love these. However, I don't know how the fur is gonna wear over time, so I have to be mindful on that. I have been contemplating on getting these in the patent leather in the, what is it, in like the nude color, not necessarily brown, but nude color, but I'm not sold on it yet. I'm still thinking about it. But as soon as I saw these, I was like, no brainer. These will look so cute during fall. All black outfit, black jeans or a black sweater and some jeans, or even just some leggings and an oversized sweater, whether it be white, brown, or black. I just think that this definitely finishes the outfit. So these are the first pair of sandals that I ordered with that sale, and I am very happy that I added them. Okay, moving on to the second pair of sandals. So these I have been wanting for a while. Since the middle of summer, I've been wanting them, but they were always sold out in this color. Even whenever I went into the store, they were always sold out, and I was like, oh my goodness. So whenever I saw this sale came about, I was like, I'm gonna try my luck and see if they're available. And they were. And I think because we're transitioning into, well, it is fall. We're transitioning into winter now. Of course, people aren't usually buying sandals, but I'm not like everybody else. I buy sandals all year round. So I saw these and I just had to add them to my cart. So let me show you guys what I picked up. So, okay. Guys, I am in love with these sandals. My goodness, aren't they the cutest? Okay, let me take out the other one. Let me move this out of the way. So I haven't worn these, and I don't think I will until actual like spring, whenever spring comes about. But guys, oh my goodness, I have been wanting this, like I said, since the middle of spring or summer of this year. I've just been like seeing them, and I tried them on in a yellow because whenever I went into the store, they didn't have them. But I told myself, let me try them on. Let me find out exactly what size I am. So if they do become available on the website, I can order the right size without having to worry about exchanging and then getting my size sold out. Anyway, so many thoughts go through my head. So whenever I saw that these were available and that they were part of the promotion for the gift card, I was like, okay, this is a win-win. It's meant to be. So I added these to my cart and I cannot wait to wear them. So let me take this little thing out. By the way, these sandals are just so comfortable. So they have a lot of padding. So you see that this is like quilted. Well, the bottom, I don't want to say it's quilted, but it's definitely squishy, not hard whatsoever. So whenever I tried these on in store, I was like, okay, they look cute, plus they're going to be so comfortable. And I can already see these like in summer with, again, just a plain white tee, some distressed jeans. I can see these with so many sundresses, so many long sundresses, just plain color sundresses, and pairing this with my Saint Laurent little small belt. Oh, guys, these kind of things excite me. So these are the second pair of sandals that I added, and I cannot wait to style them and wear them. Okay, so the last pair that I added, so whenever I added the other two sandals, I didn't really have any other sandals in mind or shoes or anything else that I wanted to purchase. So I was basically trying to qualify for the $600 gift card, because to me that made more sense as far as what I wanted to use that for. And then I saw these and I was like, okay, I can definitely wear these. I can definitely tell that these will last a long time. However, I was worried about one thing. So let me show you. So these are Saint Laurent, and these are the last pair of sandals that I added during that promotion. So let me show you. And I have actually worn these twice already. So that already is a good sign, because again, cost per wear. And these, I want to say, were the cheapest amongst all of them. If I'm not mistaken, these were like $600. I'll link everything down below just in case if you're wondering on price, or if you want to purchase these for yourself. So enough talking. So they came in these little dust bags. So I wanted to package these back up exactly how they came, so that way you guys can see. And oh my goodness, guys. Okay, let me take this off. Like, aren't these so beautiful? So I don't know if this is patent leather. I think it is, yes. So one of the things that I saw on the website was that the leather was kind of shiny, and I was like, I wonder if that's patent leather, because if it is, I'm 100% sold. I loved this little detail of YSL. So of course, this is just so beautiful in the gold and black. However, I was worried about one thing. So I do own the Tory Burch little slides that come with the Tory Burch logo, very, very small. It's patent leather, it's all black. And the logo itself has rubbed on my skin, and every time I wear those, I have to wear some kind of band-aid to protect my skin. So I was worried about this YSL logo tugging at my skin and causing me to get a blister, but thankfully that is not the case. These are so comfortable, very easy to style, and I'm just very happy that I added them. So these are the last pair of sandals that I added, and let me show you guys the last one, or the other one I should say. So look at, guys, aren't these so cute? So I've worn them twice already, and basically with the same type of outfit with some leggings and an oversized sweater, and they just look so gorgeous. So I can already see myself wearing these all through fall, maybe not all of winter, but whenever spring and summer come, I can see myself wearing these with like a plain black tee and some cutoff shorts. Really, really, really love that I added these in my collection, and that I was able to make this part of my purchase. And let me show you guys what the promotion card looks like. So this is the promotional card that I received from Saks, and I have actually already used these. I ordered another pair of shoes, so I will be showing that to you guys as soon as it comes in. And yeah, guys, so this is the gift card that I received. Like I said, it was $600, and I was able to use it towards another purchase, and you're not limited as far as what brands you can apply it to. So it is a win-win. So if you're contemplating on getting items specifically from Saint Laurent and Valentino, definitely browse the Saks Fifth Avenue website every now and then, because they have this promotion quite a bit. And I've actually purchased all my Saint Laurent and Valentino items whenever they have this sale, if I'm not mistaken. Maybe one or two sandals I didn't, but most of the time I do try to take advantage of this promotion, because to me it just makes no sense to pay the same amount of money later on and not get anything back. Might as well spend the money now and get more money to make another purchase. So yeah, guys, that is all for today. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give this a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys next time. Bye.